Okay, so this is where our floating shelves are gonna go. They're gonna go on top of our IKEA Besta. We're gonna have two running all the way across here, and I want it to be like low enough so that even when we put stuff on the top one, the light won't interfere with the view of it. Tom just prepped the wall by finding the studs. We do have a stud finder, but sometimes it's just easier to use these little magnets. They just stick to the screw heads in the studs, so it marks your studs without having to mark up your wall. And yeah, I'm just gonna clear everything off and we'll get started. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. It's cloudy today, but these are like a white oak color. The box came with the shelf and they're custom to whatever width and depth you want them. The bracket, and then it came with these really long screws, and it even comes with a special bit for your screwdriver for the head. So we're doing screws at every stud, and I'll show you how long these screws are. These are gonna be sturdy.